Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to change your profile picture on the Discord app using your PC. With this new update, updating your avatar is easier than ever. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once it's up and running, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left of your screen, right next to your username. Clicking this icon will take you to the user settings menu. Next, in the settings menu, find and click on My Account. This section contains all the essential information related to your account, including your current profile picture. Now it's time to make some changes. Click on Edit User Profile. This option will allow you to modify various aspects of your profile, including your avatar. Look for the option that says Change Avatar. Click on it, and then select Upload Image. This will open a window where you can browse through your files to find the perfect image for your new profile picture. Once you've found the image you want to use, click on it, and then select Open. Your chosen picture will now appear as your new avatar. Take a moment to make any additional changes you'd like to your profile, and when you're satisfied, click Apply. This will apply the new avatar and any other modifications you've made. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to ensure everything is updated. And just like that, your Discord profile picture has been changed. Thanks for watching. Now you can show off your new look in all your Discord servers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.